Have you ever wondered how the first living cell came to be? It's a question that has puzzled scientists for centuries. Let's dive into the math and see why it's almost impossible for a living cell to form randomly. A living cell is a marvel of complexity, made up of thousands of components like proteins, RNA, lipids, and more. Each of these components plays a crucial role in the cell's function. But how likely is it that all these components came together by chance? Proteins are essential for life. They are made up of amino acids, and there are 20 standard amino acids. The sequence of these amino acids determines the protein's function. For a protein to be functional, it needs to have the right sequence. Let's consider a modest-sized protein made up of 300 amino acids. The probability of this specific sequence forming randomly is 1 in 20 to the 300. That's a 1 followed by 390 zeros. To put this into perspective, it's like winning the lottery multiple times in a row. Now, think about the entire cell. A simple bacterial cell requires around 1,000 different proteins. If we consider the probability of all these proteins forming randomly, the numbers become unimaginably small. Essentially, it's like expecting every single piece of a puzzle to fall into place perfectly by chance. It's important to note that these calculations assume pure random assembly without any biochemical processes or selection. In reality, life likely emerged through more plausible mechanisms, such as stepwise assembly, replication, and selection. These processes could have significantly reduced the complexity and made the formation of the first living cell more feasible. In conclusion, the math shows that the random assembly of a living cell is astronomically improbable. However, this doesn't mean life couldn't have formed through more complex and guided processes. If you're interested in learning more about how life might have started, check out my next video where I explore some of the fascinating theories and research in origin of life studies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.